𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬, a violin, with mournful moan and silken tone. Itself alone comes one trombone, gliding, sliding, high notes go low. One trombone is playing solo. Next, a trumpet comes along and sings and stings its swinging song. It joins trombone no more alone, and one and two, they are a duo. Fine French horn, it was all oiled, bright and brassy, loops all coiled. Golden yellow joins its fellows. Two, now trio, what a trio! Now a mellow friend, the cello, neck extended, bows a hello. In pen sit upon the floor, it makes up a quartet, that's four. And soaring high and moving in, with 𝗬𝗬𝗬𝗬, a violin, stroking strings that come alive. Now quintet, let's count them, 5. Flute that sends our soul a shiver, flute, that slender silver sliver, a place among the set it picks to make a young sextet, that's 6. With steely keys that softly click, its breezy notes so darkly slick, a sleek black woody clarinet is number 7, now septet. Gleeful bleating, sobbing, pleading, through its throbbing double reading, oboe, please don't hesitate, come, make it an octet, that's 8. That lazy clown, the big bassoon, he plays low down, we're laughing soon. Here, Grumpy, get your place in line and give us a nonette, that's 9. The harp descends with angels' wings, a heaven's blend through magic strings, and when it joins the others, then behold, a chamber group of 10. The orchestra comes in the hall, there on the stage we see them all, the cello, the harp and the clarinet, the trumpet, whom we've also met, the oboe, flute and big bassoon, all eager to get started soon, trombone, French horn and violin, all poised and ready, now begin. The strings all soar, the reeds implore, the brasses roar with notes galore. It's music that we all adore, it's what we go to concerts for. The minutes fly and the music ends, and so goodbye to our new friends. But when they've bowed and left the floor, If we clap loud and shout encore, they might come out and play once more. And that would give us a great delight before we say a late good night.